And we continue to follow this breaking news right now. A federal judge has struck down Indiana's ban on same-sex marriage, ruling gay couples have the same marriage rights as straight couples.
Now, that ruling took effect immediately, meaning same-sex couples could start marrying today. And this is one of the first couples to do so, two men in Marion County. And the Indiana Attorney General's office says it'll appeal the ruling. And there was confusion across the state. Some county clerks issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples, others not, saying they were waiting for guidance from the state's attorney general. We have team coverage tonight of what's turned into a historic day in the state. WSBT's Kelli Stopczynski is live in downtown South Bend, where couples are getting married tonight. And Kelli, you know, a lot of confusion, though, out there for them.
Rick, just as you talked about, when couples first started calling the clerk's office this afternoon asking, can we get a marriage license, they were told no, and that's because the clerk worried the licenses might not be legal if the judge issued a stay in this case. But within 2 hours, the county clerk started talking to the attorney general, who says until there's a stay, issuing the licenses and performing same-sex marriages is legal. And almost right away, same-sex couples started showing up. The first couple, Greg Bovo and David Schmokel, have been together 26 years waiting for this day. They heard about the federal ruling on the news today at noon, got their licenses at 2:15, and married at 4 o'clock at the Palais Royal. The clerk's office says the court's ruling came as a surprise, so they don't even have the right forms on file. They had to tweak the male and female wording on the marriage licenses, but the couples we talked to were just as surprised to see the decision come down today.
I wanted to do it here. I didn't want to have to go to Elkhart County or any of the surrounding counties to do it. So here we are. We're going to be the first one, I guess.
I can't believe that it's happening while I'm still alive in Indiana, no less. So it's pretty amazing. It's about time. I mean, to be denied rights for so long, to marry someone you love is stupid. It just is. So this is pretty outstanding.
By the end of the day, the clerk's office told me it had issued more than a dozen marriage licenses. When I called at 4:30, they said, we're too busy still to even talk to you. We have to keep giving these licenses out. Many of those couples planned to marry today. That is very important because a marriage license is valid for 60 days, but it's still not clear if a same-sex marriage would be legal if the judge orders a stay in a case and the same-sex couple had their license but didn't get married yet. Reporting in downtown South Bend, I'm Kelli Stopczynski, WSBT Channel 22 News.
Now, for men